We're not totally screwed because of AI, folks. Nope, we're not in this mess because of the government, or some broken system, or a crumbling economy. Nope, we're screwed because we did it to ourselves, plain and simple. We've created a world that's a damn whirlwind, spinning faster than a roller coaster on steroids. We wear our exhaustion like a badge of honor, for crying out loud. We worship speed like it's the Holy Grail. And we've mixed up being busy with actually making progress. We don't rest. We refresh like we're hitting the damn reset button on our lives. We don't think. We scroll mindlessly. We don't connect. We perform like we're on a never-ending stage. And every time we crack open that screen, we're handing over a piece of our precious attention for yet another mirage of control. What the hell are we doing? We keep saying we're more connected than ever. But let's be real. Most of us haven't felt genuinely seen in years. We chat, but who's really listening? We yell, but nothing ever changes. We keep hammering the same tired arguments, thinking that sheer volume will magically create understanding. It's not that we can't hear each other. It's that we've just stopped giving a damn. We've confused opinions with our very identities. We mistake validation for love and comfort for genuine happiness. And when we finally hit that empty feeling, we point fingers everywhere but at our own damn selves.
We're screwed.
Because we've forgotten how to just be still. We're terrified of silence because guess what? Silence forces us to confront the person we've been dodging like the plague. We run from pain instead of taking a good hard look at it. We drown our emotions in distractions, calling it coping, but really, it's just surrender. And the wildest part? We already know this. We know what's tearing us apart. We see the wreckage, we feel the void, yet we keep plowing ahead. Because, let's face it, stopping feels like a fate worse than death. So we're stuck in this relentless loop. Wake up, consume, perform, escape, repeat. We've turned life into a damn algorithm and then wonder why it feels so predictable. We've optimized everything except for what truly matters, meaning. But maybe, just maybe, that's where the magic of change begins. When everything you've built crumbles, and you're forced to confront the silence you've been running from, that's not failure, my friends. That's awakening. We're not screwed because the world is falling apart. We're screwed because we've forgotten how to live in it. But guess what? That can all change the moment we stop reacting like headless chickens and start truly noticing what's around us. Awareness, stillness, choice. That's how you rebuild what all that noise has destroyed. We're not doomed. We're just distracted. And here's the silver lining. Distraction can end. If you let it. So what the hell are you waiting for?